Thanks for joining McCormick Systems in video number 3, Takeoff. Now that we've completed step number 2 and broke out the job, let's go do the takeoff. Go ahead and hit step number 3 button to begin the takeoff process. When we enter the takeoff screen, the first thing you might notice is that our labels that we set up in button number 2 are now drop downs at the top of the screen. In basic takeoff, you're going to be utilizing these 3 windows. On the left is your database, on the right is your menu, and the bottom window is your audit trail. Now in your database, you can flip between items and assemblies. So it's 2 simple tabs that you're going to be working in for the most part. Let's go ahead and start with items. You can see by me scrolling up and down, McCormick comes with thousands of pre-built items. To find any one of these items, use McCormick's easy menu. Alright, let's do a little takeoff. Let's find some plastic pipe and fittings. I want to do some PVC 40 drain waste and vent. Let's just take off some pipe for now. Notice as soon as I click on that last header, it jumps me right to that part in the database. Now you land on a header when you get to the database, so you must pick which item you actually want to take off. I'm going to take off this 4-inch pipe. One way to take off is to click up into the count box. Then I can type in the quantity of this pipe that I want. When I hit enter on my keyboard, it drops into the audit trail. You will notice in the audit trail the name of the item you took off, the quantity, the user who took it off, and we date and timestamp every piece. McCormick has a quicker way to do takeoff. You don't have to click up into the count box every time. It recognizes when you're on an item. Simply type in your quantity and hit enter. Again, you can speed through takeoff by simply finding the item you want to take off. Let's do a little bit more of this 2-inch pipe. Type in your quantity, hit enter, it drops it into the audit trail. Everything is easily done and quickly taken off. One more column in the audit trail you might notice is the I/A column. This tells you if you've taken off an item or an assembly. To take a look at your specs, you can hit the review button. Review will show you all of the pricing and labor for each item. Remember, this is your permanent database. If you change anything here, you're changing it permanently. Now we don't have to worry about price or labor while we're doing takeoff. All this will be handled in step number 4 extension. So this is strictly for review. Just know that every part in McCormick will come preloaded with labor units. To close the review window, just go ahead and hit the item or assembly tab. Let's now go work on another label. Let's take off office floor 1 underground. Notice how the audit trail is empty. It shows we have not done takeoff. But if I flip back to the warehouse, my takeoff is still saved in its original spot. McCormick easily keeps you organized with these labels. Let's go ahead and do some more takeoff in office floor 1 underground. Let's just go ahead and grab a couple more pieces of PVC. Let's go to the fittings section and we'll grab a couple PVC fittings. Alright, we'll also grab some combos. Let's add that to the audit trail. Okay, I think I've shown you enough on how to take off single items. Now let's show you the power of assemblies. To take off an assembly, simply click on the Assembly tab. Notice when you click on the Assembly tab, the menu on the right changes automatically to an assembly menu. Again, scrolling up and down, you can see we have thousands of pre-built assemblies for you. Finding assemblies are exactly the same as finding an item. Just use your menu and go from left to right. Let's go ahead and find a plumbing fixture assembly. We'll look at water closets. I want L copper coming in, and let's go PVC going out. Let's just choose this closed front elongated seat water closet. Let's also be sure to change our label set. We'll put this water closet in the above grade section. Takeoff is exactly the same. Just go ahead and click on that closet, type in how many you want, and hit enter. Now assemblies are cool and you're getting a whole bunch of parts. If I hit the review button on an assembly, it shows you everything that is coming with this assembly. It is built up of many different items. McCormick has built our fixture assemblies with all of the vertical in the wall. As you can see, you get all of the waste, water, and vent pipe in the assembly, along with wax rings, escutcheons, and your actual fixture. Of course, all assemblies are easily customizable. If you don't like something, you can easily change it. We'll show you that in another video. Alright, let's take off some more. Let's go ahead and get some lavs. We'll go L copper and PVC going out, and we'll grab this wall hung lav right here. Let's count a few lavs and throw that into the audit trail. Alright, let's show you some pipe assemblies. We'll take off some copper, type L 95.5, and let's go ahead and take it off. We'll do clevis hanger with C clamps. Let's grab this 1/2 inch copper. I'll count 1,800 feet of this pipe. When we review this assembly, you're going to notice that it comes with everything you need to install that copper. All of your pipe, your couplings, solder joints, and of course your hangers, thread rod, washers, and C-clamps. By you taking off that 1,000 feet, you automatically get a full material list, done and labored for you. McCormick is fast and easy. Alright, let's grab some fittings for that copper. Click on fittings, we're going to go to our copper 95.5 and let's do some elbows. We'll grab some 90s here. Click on your 1/2 inch copper 90s and count how many you need. Again, takeoff with assemblies is easy and fast. As soon as it's dropped into the audit trail, it's auto saved, so no worries there. Let's grab some takeoff for floor 2. Let's just take off a little bit more. We'll grab some more water closets for floor 2, and we'll grab a couple more lavs. And we'll grab some more pipe and add it to our floor 2. One more set of fittings and I think we're complete. There you have it. That's how you do a manual takeoff in McCormick systems. We will get into the on-screen estimating pro at a later video and show you how to do takeoff on a digital plan. Thank you again for joining us. We'll see you in the next training video.